Hi, extension. Welcome to all the students. Here today you are going to construct a tangent from an external point. From an external point. With the example number 1. You know all of them. The one of the property, it is connected to theorem. The tangent drawn from an external point to a circle, they are equally equal. In the previous class, you know the theorem, that is to be the tangents are equal. We can now today you are discuss about the construction of an tangent that too from an external point. From an external point. For example, if the radius of the circle is 2.5 centimeter, the point is away from the 6 centimeter away from the center of the circle. 6 centimeter away from the center of the circle. Now all of you know them, we can take the point O is the center of the circle. P is an external point, that is called D. The distance between center and external point is equal to, we take 6 centimeter. Then radius of circle C1 is equal to, R is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Now next step, the C2 circle is equal to OP as a diameter. As a diameter. Now it is 2 enough. So O is the center of the circle. P is in a point away from the circle, that is distance between O to P is called D, then it is called 6 centimeter. Then C1 circle with R is radius is equal to 2.5 centimeter. C2 is equal to OP as a diameter. Then all of you know that we can draw the line OP is equal to 2 centimeter. OP is equal to 2 centimeter. So you can OP is equal to 6 centimeters should be drawn. OP is equal to 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. Then take the radius of circle is equal to 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. With O as a center, draw the circle. So this is radius is equal to 2.5 centimeter. That's called C1. That's called C1. Then you can to find the OP is equal to 6 centimeters. Then second C2 OP as a diameter means to first you find out the midpoint of the OP. That midpoint of the OP by taken the phenomena bisect the line OP. So you can take more than half of the line OP. That is more than half means here OP is equal to 6 centimeters. Then now you can take 2 is less, 3 is equal and more than 3 but less than 5. Then you can take minimum 4 centimeter of the radius. Then you can mark 1. Then P as a center. So joining this line in a dotted line. This is called M. This is M. Then after M is the midpoint, then we can check them OP as the diameter. So 1 point. Once again here checking. Both are right. Then you can draw a circle. That is C2 circle. Now that is C2. Next then C2 and C1 you can see where they are intersect. So the point is C2 circle is the C1. This point is called A point. So another one is B point. So A and B are the points to intersect the circle C1 and C2. Then you can step it join OP. So OP as well as AP and AB are the tangents. AP and BP are the tangents drawn from the external point P. Point P. External point P. So you are construct like this, then you will get a 2 or 3 marks problem. 2 or 3. So then you can measure the length of the tangent by using the formula T is equal to square root of d square minus r square. Square root of d square minus r square. So you can measure the length of AP and BP, then you can measure it, then you can calculate the formula D is equal to like that to find out the length of the tangent. So this is one of the problem. Now it is so simple problem, that is very clearly marking is done. OP is equal to D is equal to 6 cm. C1 circle of center with the O radius is equal to 2.5 cm. C2 is OP as a diameter. So you can see, first you draw the line OP is equal to, in an annual examination drawing of OP is equal to half mark. Then drawing the circle C1 is equal to half mark and bisect the point of OP, that is also 1/2 mark. Then draw the circle C2, that is also half mark. Then AP and BP are joining, then it is also half marks. Totally 3 half marks to 1.5. Then another 3.5 marks is the totally 3 marks one problem. First half, second half, third half, fourth half, and measuring of the tangent, that is 1 marks. Totally 3 marks one question is there. So easy question. Now it is one of the worked example. Now second in text example of an exercise 10.5. Another one problem can be in the same way. Exercise 10.5. So one problem in your textbook problem can take. Draw a circle of radius 6 cm and center. Draw a circle of radius 6 cm and center tangent to it from an external point is 10 cm away from the center. Measure the and verify the length of the tangents. Measure and verify the length of the tangent. So we can take first one is distance is given. OP is equal to D is equal to 10 cm. Then C1 circle R is equal to, that is 6 cm. Then C2 OP as a diameter. Now verify the tangent to find out the length and verify the length of the tangent. First you know that draw the line OP as usual method. There is no change at all. Now it is very simple. Then draw the line OP is equal to 10 centimeter. OP is equal to 10 centimeter. Then take a radius. Radius is equal to 6 centimeter is there. Radius is equal to 6 centimeter. Radius is equal to 6 centimeter. Then, if second one step is bisect the line OP. Bisect the line OP. Then you can take more than half of the OP. Then you can take one half, another. P as a center. You can mark another arc. So you can make very clearly arcs of the intersecting. Then the midpoint is inside the circle. Inside the circle. Then you can check them. M is the midpoint. So you can draw the line. So that is C2 circle of radius is 5 centimeter. Then you can take A point. Then this is B point. A and B. Joining of A and B. AP like that. If it is measuring of in AP, AP is equal to BP is equal to 8 centimeter. AP is equal to BP is equal to. Now verify this one by using the formula T is equal to square root of B square minus R. So D is given how much? 10 square. R is given radius 6 square. So this is equals 10 10 100 minus 6 is 36. This is equals root 64. Then root 64 value is equal to 8. So therefore length as well as verification of the formula, then you will get the value is equal to 8 centimeter. So AP is equal to BP is equal to 8 centimeter. By measuring also 8 centimeter, then by using calculate the formula T is equal to square root of B square minus R square. Then using that formula square root of D means 10 square minus R is equal to 6 square. 10 square is equal to 100 minus 6 square is equal to 36. Therefore 100 minus 36 is equal to 64. Square root of 64 is equal to 8 centimeter. So this is one problem. But in some time another problems are given. The point is away from the circle. Away from the circle means then you can choose the point. Here circle is, this is away, but this is from the center. We can know them all the children. Here it is away from the center is taken one point directly. OP is equal to D is taken. In some time, one or two problems you are confusing that one. They are given the point is away from the circle. Away from the circle means this is from the circle here. O to R it is radius. Then away from the adding of this plus away from the then you get a distance is taken. So such a problem is also. So you can check another problem. Such type of method. All of the students you can take the second type, that is another problem is taken. Example 2 is there. So almost all the students are not them. That is the point is. Construct a pair of tangent to a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter from a point 3.5 centimeter away from the circle. Away from the circle. Now you can imagine but in previous problem the center away from the external point from the center is there. Now this problem not a center from the circle is given, then almost all you can take O is the point of radius, P is there. So O is radius plus distance. So radius is 3.5 centimeter and distance is also given 3.5 centimeter. Totally 7 centimeter. Now all of them OP is equal to D is equal to 7 centimeter. Next point, C1 circle of radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Then C2 as is the procedure, OP as a diameter. As a diameter. So all of you know them. First line, draw the line OP is equal to how many centimeter? 7 centimeter. OP is equal to 7 centimeter. Pi is taken means that is 7 centimeter. The problem is given. First is radius of the center. Radius of the circle is 3.5 centimeter. The point P is away from the circle. That circle is 3.5. So 3.5 plus 3.5 is equal to 7 centimeter. Now all of you take a radius is 3.5 centimeter. Then you can draw the one circle. That is called C1 circle. That is C1 circle 3.5 centimeter. Now check them again, same distance is there. That is also 3.5. Then second method is there, step is there, more than half. More than half is taken. We can construct the perpendicular, or it is also phenomena bisect the line OP. The OP bisect line, it passes to the circumference of the circle because distance is equal is the known. So then M is the point. Once again you can check the 3.5 centimeter. So that is also having 3.5 centimeter. You can draw the C2 circle. C2 circle. Now this is A, this is B. This is A and this is B. Join the line AP. So AP and BP are the tangents drawn from the external point P. Drawn from the external point P. So other two problems are there in your exercise. It can done in the 10.5 exercise. Next exercise is done once again. The touching circles are done. Next heading, touching circles. Next point is touching circles. Touching circle means if two circles touch each other, they are commonly called as a touching circles. If two circles are touch each other, they are commonly called as a touching circles. In touching circle, there are the two types varieties. Number one, external touching circle, and number two, internal touching circle. So first one, external touching circle means if two circles are touch each other externally, such circles are commonly called as an external touching circles. You can see if two circles. Here center A and B. If C1 and C2 two circles are touch each other externally, such circles are commonly called as an external touching circle. But here the point two circles touch each other. This point is called contact point of the two circles. Contact point of the two circles. Second type, that is internal touching circle. If two circles are touch each other internally, such circles are commonly called as an internal touching circles. They are commonly called as an internal. Like that you can draw the two circles. Here one. So A and B. This is B. This one is A. So this point is called P. That is point of contact. So first one is external touching circle. This is internal circle. Internal means two circles are C1 and C2. They are touch each other internally. Inside the circle is called internal touching circles. If these two circles are touching externally, they are called external touching circles. This point is called as a point of contact. This is point of contact. So this is regarding about the touching circle. But two circles are like this is not a called any type of touching circle, but they are intersecting circle. They are called as an intersecting circle. This is, but it is externally, internally. This types of circles is called not any touching circles. They are called the intersecting circles are. So next class I will give on the theorem and some.